Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. For sale is this well-designed, modern, spacious, 5-bed, 5.5 bath, two-story house that sits on half-acre of land, nestled in the quiet and cool community of Theresa Close, Knockpatrick in the parish of Manchester. The property features a front porch, an open concept welcoming living, spacious kitchen and dining, private backyard and rear patios. Ground floor features powder room, laundry room, kitchen, living, dining, home office, gym, family room, a storage room, a master bedroom suite with walk-in closet and rear patios. Upper level, large balconies, sizable master bedroom suite with walk-in closet, three other bedrooms with ensuite bath and walk-in closets. Additional features: two covered car garage, underground water tank, pump house, and well-fruited quarter-acre of land adjacent the house. This property is a must-see. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 42 million or US $272.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.